Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
For Maharashtra, this will be in single phase. The notifications, date of notifications are in front of you. 22nd October would be date of notification. Last date of making nomination would be 29th October. Scrutiny on 30th October. And last date for withdrawal 4th, and date of poll in Maharashtra would be 20th 11. Counting would be on 23rd 11/24. And you will notice that date of poll is Wednesday. To all our esteemed voters in the urban areas, to please come and vote. It's not a healthy trend which is reflected. झारखंड एक बहुत ही समृद्ध स्टेट है और वहां पर हम फिर से अपील करेंगे कि सब वोटर्स अधिक से अधिक मात्रा में वोट दें. Schedule would be like this. Jharkhand would be in 2 phases. The date of poll, first phase would be on, date of poll would be on 13th November, and the second phase would be along with Maharashtra on 20th November. The date of issue of notification for Jharkhand phase 1 would be 18th, and for phase 2 would be 22nd along with Maharashtra. Nominations for phase 1 would be till 25th of October, and for phase 2 29th. This slide we will share with everyone. And date of poll would be 13th November and 20th November, both Wednesdays. And date of counting would be 23rd 11, that is Saturday. That all the voters of Jharkhand and Maharashtra कृपया बाहर आइए, कृपया वोट करिए. लोकतंत्र के उत्सव में आपकी भागीदारी कि हम बहुत ही रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, अपील करते हैं आपसे.